How to prevent hair loss due to stress. Sometimes emotional or physical stress can lead to hair loss, which is a serious concern for most people and something they wish to reverse. However, due to the length of the hair growth cycle, people often only begin losing their hair weeks or months after the stressful event has occurred, and the hair loss can continue for several months afterwards. Luckily, hair will usually grow back on its own once the source of stress has been removed, but there are several things you can do to help the process along. By easing your stress and taking good care of your hair, you can reduce the effects of hair loss. Telogen effluvium. With telogen effluvium, stress may send a number of hair follicles into a resting phase, stopping the hair from growing. Several months later, the hair attached to the affected follicles may start to fall out suddenly, in greater volume than normal. This is possibly the most common type of stress-related hair loss. Alopecia areata. With alopecia areata, the immune system turns on the hair follicles and causes hair to fall out, sometimes in large chunks. There may be several factors causing this type of hair loss, and stress is suspected to be one of them. See a doctor to confirm a diagnosis. With each type of hair loss, the exact link between the hair loss and stress is somewhat unclear. While stress will sometimes cause the hair loss directly, other times, the stress makes an existing condition worse. In some cases, the hair loss will cause the stress, rather than the other way around. Although most instances of hair loss will not require any significant medical attention, in some cases the hair loss is not the result of stress, as you might believe, but is in fact a symptom of a more serious underlying issue. Therefore, it is important that you see your doctor rather than self-diagnosing. Realize that hair will usually grow back on its own. If hair loss is indeed caused by stress, the major focus of treatment should be on minimizing or eliminating that stress. Once the stress is reduced, hair should grow back on its own with no need for drugs or other treatments. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can contribute to both mental and physical stress, especially if the sleep issues persist over a long period of time. It can affect your diet, your performance at work and your overall mood, which, in turn, can lead to stress or anxiety-related hair loss. Follow a healthy diet. Eating healthily gives your body more energy, enabling it to better cope with stress. Diet also contributes to the strength of hair, making it less likely to fall out. Exercise more. Exercise can be hugely beneficial in helping to alleviate emotional stress. See a therapist. Emotional stress can become much worse over time if you bottle up your feelings and avoid talking about the source of your stress. Therefore, seeing a therapist to talk through your anxiety issues can be very cathartic and do wonders to relieve stress. If talking to a therapist isn't something you're interested in, then at least open up to a trusted friend or family member. Don't be afraid of burdening them with your worries, they'll be more than happy to lend a sympathetic ear. Give your body time to recover after a major physiological change. Major physiological changes, such as surgery, a car accident, illness, or giving birth to a child, can be very traumatic for your body, even if you feel fine.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Check the description below and thank you so much for watching.